Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, it's all about steering wheel. Yeah, I finally got all the parts that I needed to get this thing done. And of course my steering wheel have seen some days, so it's almost like an upgrade for my intention of use for this car. And as you can see, I got the 350, which is made by name brand is Momo. I think this is Monte Carlo or something, or yeah, Monte Carlo 350 millimeter, and I am using NRG. And there's the part number if anyone wants to do the same thing, or someone that already have this thing. These are the parts that I am going to use. I wanted to use SRK 131H. It's because I wanted to retain my clock spring. Yeah, if I ever wanted to go back to OEM, then I can always remove this wheel and then put back the old one. And shout out to Jason of A1 Motorsports for getting me all these parts. You know, very knowledgeable guy. Let's see what we have inside first. Okay, there's some instructions. Momo. And these are all the hardware for the steering wheel. This bad boy. The horn button. The red one. And some grounding piece of wire. Ah, very nice. Very nice grip. It is different than Nardi though. And I got some screws here that I needed here. And let's put it on. I picked this one. I want to retain the clock spring on my steering wheel. This will push my steering. It'll be towards the driver a little bit. There is two screws that need to be removed, which is Torx bit T30. There's one right there, and another one here. You just need to pop that cover. This need to be disconnected. This one need to spring back like so. It comes right out. And this steering wheel have seen some days anyway. I mean, it's kind of wore out. Look right there. And then this thing turns also. Yeah. So it's almost about time. Look, I can flip the the rubber. So always make sure that you're dead on, straight, and hopefully this is strong enough to remove this. Yeah. Okay. Right. And I'm gonna put the nut back in. Just thread it in. That way, when I start shaking this thing, it won't hit me in the face. There you go. It's off. And I need to disconnect some of this wiring. I believe I wonder which is which. Which one is the horn? The horn could be this one here. Okay. And then off I go. There it is. Yeah. Seen some days. Slots right there. Because that's the one that's going to be sitting right there on top and at 6 o'clock location right there. So it's good. I don't have to modify it. If there is any modification involved, I guess hopefully I don't have to cut this, otherwise it will be rubbing here. But, see, right on. And I got my markings right there. So the spline, okay, I think if I put it here, it will be no. So one spline over, let's see. I think that's then the nut. The torque on the steering wheel nut is right there. It's 36 foot-pounds or pounds a foot, and that's using Haynes manual, which is the same for 92, 95, and this is 96. So pretty much like it's the same. I need to lock this thing. There you go. Okay, that's 36. Yeah, it's still there. Man, I think I need to I probably need to learn the computer. I need to jump it. Yeah, hopefully it'll go away. But anyway, I know I got some resistor on there. It's reading about 2 ohms. Yeah, maybe it's just the system need to be reset. And I can go ahead and close it up. That's that. I'm going to check for power first. See if there's any power. Okay, I got 12 volts. So if I touch this too, it should work. Yeah. All right. It's good to go. We'll tap everything like so. And this has to go on a 12 o'clock. The name has to go at 12. back there. Just a simple black. Yeah, I already got the carbon fiber, so I just want something different. Yeah, I think this will do. So I'm going to put this thing all together. Let's try this. And this one, we'll just go there. I'll give it a torque once I put it on the car, and that way I don't accidentally put some scratches on the surface. Alright, so now the yellow, it don't matter which is which. I think it will be just simply positive and negative. Yeah. Okay. Since I get this one, this thing, like that. Yeah. Okay. Hey, it worked. Yeah, and it's flush. Oh yeah. Okay. It worked. I kind of pressed in a little bit too much, but that's okay. Well, there it is. Okay, I guess I can go ahead and put it on. Let's try it. All right, it looks good. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, it is different. Feels nice. Yeah. Yeah, maybe in a couple of weeks or so, and if I put some time on this steering wheel, I will make a review, a difference between the two, the Nardi and Momo. Yeah, it feels that there is a difference. Yeah, of course it's two different brand, two different manufacturer, but I could tell you already, but I'm gonna save myself. Okay, stay tuned so you guys could see it. But yeah. Yeah, there is really is a difference. Now my shoulder, my arm, it's much relaxed. Before I got my seats way back and then I'm stretching it. You know, this way I have room whenever like crisscrossing or something. Yeah, let me see if this thing is making some noise. Yeah, the trim was hitting the hub earlier. Oh, okay. If you ever put one and it's rubbing, all I did was I loosened the 3 screws, the one that's securing this trim, and I kind of pressed down on it, and then I started to secure it. But I thought I was going to shade the hub, but yeah, it's not rubbing anymore. So yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Oh, the butt. Yeah, baby. Right on. It works. Well, guys, there you go. My review will come up, or comparison wise between these two. I know this is much favorable because of prices wise. There is a difference between the texture, you know, the leather feel and all that. And stay tuned, and that's coming up. I'm gonna end the video here, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye everyone. Like and subscribe. Hell yeah. I thought about getting the blue color, but this one, it complements the red stitching and also my seats. Yeah. And there it is.